Oh, okay. Today I'm going to do something a little different. I might not even post this video, but I'm just going to go down the road that way towards the fire lookout. It's only about 3 miles. There's a trail that kind of ends there, and I wanted to see if I could see any remnants of the old trail that continued along the ridgeline. I don't think it exists anymore. I think it's overgrown, but it is listed on Google Maps. So I'll go check that out. And then I'm planning on coming back to the property here. And it's a really nice piece of property. It's really big. There's a bunch of like dirt roads, cow trails, open fields, and I want to just kind of practice my off-roading skills and the handling of the bike at slower speeds to kind of get my balance and just plain control. So that way when I do go out into the sticks and something happens, I'll be a little bit better prepared. Just kind of refining my skills. I might post some of this stuff. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But let's go check it out. Let's get the bike ready, and then it's a beautiful day. Let's go for a ride.
Recording.
Well, made it to the fire station, and I couldn't find any clue as to where that other ridgeline trail was. It's completely obliterated. So I'm gonna head back to the camp. This road is actually a little bit more challenging than I recall. Matter of fact, I think it was the first time I've ridden out here on a bike. I think the last time I came out here, I hiked out here. So it was kind of fun. I had to put my foot down once on some really loose pile of sand or silt. So it's not 100% easy. Okay, this section was really reminded me of Abbott's Trail or Abbott's Creek. Really fine silt, lots of rocks, big divots. Well, it's not so bad going down. Oh, that wasn't bad at all. Well, interesting. After I'm gonna wash the bike, and I was just looking at the fork here, and I don't know if you could tell from the quality of the camera, but definitely the compression of the shocks went down to about there, to about halfway. I'm not sure if that's from hitting the big potholes on the road or the jumping I've been doing, but if you look right here, definitely I've never touched this last inch of fork. But it looks like there's been some gradients here where it actually has been, and at one point in time I really bottomed about, I don't know if it was from the jumping. I highly doubt it was from the potholes from today or any of the other days, because I don't recall hitting anything that hard. So it must have been from the jumping done today. So I was coming down to about there. I have to do a little bit of research and find out if the shocks are, you know, too soft. Maybe I should do an upgrade on those if I'm going to continue to be a little bit more abusive on it. I noticed that I didn't bottom out anywhere on the, there's no indication of anything touching in here, so that's good. So, interesting fact.